When Allah closes a door for you, and a second door, and a third door, and a fourth door, it is because the fifth door will lead you to a place way beyond the first four doors. You have to be convinced. You tried something, Allah closed the door, you came out again. You tried something, Allah closed the second door and the third. Whether it was a marriage and you ended up divorced once, twice, thrice. Some of the brothers and sisters, especially the sisters who've been divorced more than twice, they will tell you, I've given up. Now I'm not going to marry. Why? Perhaps the next man or the one after the next man will be such a lovely person that you'll forget about the other 5 characters that you were married to. Yes. But if you stop, that's where everything stops. You gave up, that's where your hope stops. You lost a job, a second one, a third. You applied one, they didn't accept it, they rejected it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I applied for 10 jobs. No one's giving me a job because Allah says, you know what? The 12th one is actually a mega deal. Subhanallah. That's why we don't want you to get these 10. But after 5, you're giving up. What's happening? You are doing something wrong. Don't react in that way. A reaction of giving up hope is not part of the dictionary of a mu'min. A believer does not give up hope. When something happens, you suffered a loss today, a loss tomorrow. 1 year, business is not going right. 2 years, something is going wrong. For as long as you did not give up hope and you keep thanking Allah and you keep trying, trust me, 5 years later, that multi-million-dollar deal that people were waiting, notice I said dollars, not rands, that people were waiting for, subhanallah, came to you.